speak at the sing last. I'm going to keep my eyes open, but I'm going to get through this. I'm going to like show you guys what I'm wearing. I just like last minute threw this on. I was completely from this necklace from Impeccable Pig. So I'm just going to go with this because I got nothing else to wear. Alright, so I gotta head out. I told them I'd be there. California, you don't get any seasons at all. It's a nail product. I thought it was nail polish. Because I got back from a he wants us to feel rejected, left out, lonely, and less than. And it's very true, he does. But in the beginning, I didn't really relate to her because she was talking about like, I don't think I'm still ready to fully open up about anything. I just eat as much. I'm like, oh my goodness, I feel weird without working out. So super excited to work out tomorrow, and I will see you guys soon.
Any thoughts?
What? Any thoughts on what?
No.
On life in general? Good days and bad days, ups and downs. Sometimes it sucks, sometimes it's wonderful. That's all I have.
The amount of black boots that I own is embarrassing. Like, that's 2 more right there. Plus these. But outfit of the day, this is Free People. Tank top is from Evereve, just black leggings. Socks are KB. Shoes are Sorel. Don't know where the earrings are from. But yeah, I'm just going to ceramics class. So it is 12:10 and I just got to OCC. Like I said yesterday, I didn't have a morning class. I just have ceramics that starts at 1. I just got here and I got a front row spot, which is pretty cool. And it's snowing pretty hard, if you can tell. But I left like earlier than I needed to, I guess, because I'm already here and my class doesn't start till 1, so I have 50 minutes to spare. So I'm probably just going to sit here and watch Kathleen Lights like I normally do on. Oh, cute! Sorry about that, but I'm just going to be sitting here watching Kathleen Lights like I usually do on Wednesdays. Oh, also I forgot to say, I had to take the highway to get here, and I was in the fast lane, and I wasn't speeding. Like, I think I hit 72, like, once. But other than that, I was going, like, 65 in the fast lane, like the far left lane, and there was a state policeman that was, like, tailing me for, like, probably 10 minutes, and I wasn't doing anything wrong. I was just, like, it was weird, but I, like, got over, and then he passed me. But it was just weird. I was, like, waiting for him to turn on the lights, and I was like, but I'm not doing anything wrong. So I didn't want to, like, hit my brakes and, like, go super slow, because then it looked like I was guilty. So I just, like, I kept going. But I really don't have good luck with cops, apparently. So I wanted to put some lipstick on, just because I felt like it would make my outfit more complete. And I'm surprised that I had any in my bag. This is weird, but deal with it. I'm surprised I had any lipstick in my backpack at all. It was either this Lippy Butter one, which I've talked about before, the LA Moss, which I, like, hated. And then there is this Bare Minerals, Pretty Amazing. I don't know what kind it is, but it just says Rouge. And that's what I put on. I thought it was gonna be, like, super nude. Like, look. And it was, like, super dark. And now I don't know what to do. Like, I can't just take it off. I don't have, like, a makeup wiper and tissues or anything. And I have red in my shirt, and it kind of does not match. And, like, why do I do this to myself? Like, I like it, like, if it was just this. But then the red, like, I think I have napkins. Hold on, let me see. This is probably from last Wednesday that you guys probably saw. I think so. It just looks like more nude now. Crisis averted. But I think it's fine. I mean, it's still pretty pink. Like, I know the window is like all wet, but like, hold on, let me do this. That's fine. But like, oh, somebody's walking by. That's embarrassing. Two people just got in the car that's sitting next to me. So it is 3:17. We got out of class early, obviously. So I'm done with ceramics. I'm kind of happy, kind of sad, but my wipers on. Like, oh my god. It's gonna take me an hour to get home. Update. It is, 3:55. I'm pretty sure when I got in the car it was 3:10. So, yeah, normally it takes me like 15 to 20 minutes to get home from OCC, like depending on traffic, and it has been almost an hour. So yeah, I have not hit over 10 miles an hour yet. And I think that I am going to get off the highway. Comment down below if you know what it's called when it's not a highway. Like city, like suburban? No, like just a regular road? Comment below if you know what it's called. What is wrong? You can't even see. This guy is walking his dog. Like, why? What? Why? I feel like that guy totally just saw me recording him. But it is 4:40. I am still, I mean, on a good day I'd be about 10 minutes away, which means I'm probably half an hour away from my house. I literally like got out at a red light to oop, I just ran a red light. I literally got out at a red light to like knock the snow off of my windshield wipers because I could not see. Like, it was just like making everything wet, and it was like all frozen. So yeah, it's been almost 2 hours now, so that's fun. Totally just ran a red light because I couldn't stop. But I just want to be home, and I don't want to go anywhere else for a week. I'm starving. Like, I had some eggs, a piece of toast, and some potatoes before I left at like 11:30, and that was the last thing I've eaten. And I'm so thirsty, like my mouth is so dry, and I have nothing in here, and talking isn't gonna help, but yet I still do it. And I have to pee, and this is just a bad day. I can't stop anywhere, obviously, and I can't just stand and pee somewhere. I just want to go. I just want to be home. It's 5 o'clock. Finally home. Took me 2 hours. Ollie forgot my name. Just kidding. Hey, Dad.
What?
How was your Italian dressing with your enchiladas?
Awesome. How come my fork got rejected?
Oh, Daddy. Oh, that puppy, he's so funny, Ollie. He's so funny.
Are you gonna make sure that's the right thing?
Yeah, you're mild and hot taco sauce,
Oh, they're
not
both mild,
Italian
Dad.
seasoning.
Hilarious.
So it is 9:50. I took off all my makeup and I'm all greased up. I am just going to be editing, going to bed. But thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 13, and I will see you guys tomorrow.